with the new Servicefinder, I'm able to get a bird's eye view or a cat's eye view into Servicefinder through the interface with my Route Finder Plus. I can see when an inspection's due. I can see when a state inspection is coming due. We can look, we have a view to see that our buses are safe. Now with our GPS, we use one of your partner vendors. And so that actually will send us, we have it set up to send us notifications. We have a check engine light on. We have an alternator going bad. Tire pressure's low. So using this whole suite together, including your partners, makes it so efficient for me that when I go in front of the board with an issue, they know that I'm on top of the game because I have all this.
I'm the one that buys the buses every year, so one of the things we've done is by getting all the parts and labor costs accurate in Servicefinder, we're able to show the cost of an older bus being more than the cost of a newer bus in terms of that maintenance, and that makes the case that it's time for that bus to go because we keep putting more and more money into it, and we're going to keep putting more and more money into it, and it's just like your car. After a while, you put enough money into it, it's time for a new car. So that's basically how we make the case to our administration and board that it's time to replace the buses. And since then, we've been able to kind of show that, and we've been able to go on a regular, we buy about an average of about 4 buses a year, and it kind of keeps us on the same price point and keeps everything pretty stable.